There are 3 connectors you need to remove. There's 1, 2, and the third one. For the first one, the gray one, there should be a small tab on the side, which I can't really show well. There should be a tab on the side right here that you can press in and pull out. This particular radio is very difficult to do. It should take about between 30 minutes to an hour. On the power one, underneath the cables right here, there's a little tab you can push up on. And for the third one, there's a dented in tab that you can press inward closest to the radio and then pull out. The plastic piece that you press in on is right here. This gets depressed and you press like so, and it pulls out. The second cable has this little plastic thing, and on this it doesn't seem to want to move, but using your middle finger you can press inward on this close to the base, and I almost broke my fingernails off, but I was able to remove it rather quickly. And the third one has this plastic where I almost broke my finger off, but if you press in very deep, it will finally let go. From this angle, you can kind of see when you're pressing down. It's this releasing mechanism. And that's how you release those 3 cables.